What up, YouTube? What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. The Don is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang. You see what I do today, gang? You already know. We back with another one. I've been on a bit of a hiatus. I'm sorry I've been gone, guys, but we are back and continuing. You know, we kicked off the new year with the Vibes Cartel 2026, and we kept going with reactions. We've been gone for a little minute, but we're back and we're gonna remain active. You know what I'm saying? For the rest of the year, no joke. Yeah, man. And see we're there with none other than Silk Boss. Yeah, man. Silk Boss drop a new track. We're on the name Money Chef. We're gonna check it out and see what Silk Boss are doing. You know, so we react to Silk Boss a lot over here on the channel. Yeah, because he's a very talented artist. You know, we always just say Silk Boss now get the recognition that he deserves. He's a very what would I say, underrated artist. He's like an underdog in a game, but he's doing his thing. But everybody knows the Silk Boss, but still, you see me I say? But dog, we need to get a push a certain way, dog. There's something I'm missing, like in marketing or like. You know, the production, not the revenue, you see me? But Silk Boss himself, bad artist, you see me? I say, we're dog there with one Money Chef, I check it out and see what dog I do it. But before you jump there, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Road to 10K. We're not playing with them, man. You already know what time it is, gang, man. Let's get it. Silk Boss, Money Chef, let's get it.
Yo, one motion. Man clan, juggle it though. I'm Money Chef, man. I'm going on a vibe about the Money Chef though. Watch out.
I like the beat though, I'm not lie.
They on a cooking in the kitchen. Feel a vibes like something missing. When me look at that gone with the chicken. 10 pound of rice, jasmine gone missing.
They are like saying, I'm blood clean cook. Sitting missing, I want missing out type pot me G. I want one.
The chicken, 10 pound of rice, jasmine gone missing.
Oh, jasmine, the rice. I get like the rice. What are we missing?
Search out a door, me no see him. Call up the road, them missing.
Y'all love in a kitchen now, so my jasmine missing yo.
Call up the road, them missing. So me draw for the thing we are glisten. Skeleton say a time for we kill him. Honey and me I rather than spinach. Carrot I make everybody tip.
Honey and me I rather than spinach.
Make everybody tipping. Breadfruit get covered when him see me. Scotch bonnet say a ice on the village. Yeah, I the Money Chef that them.
Breadfruit get covered when you see blood.
Get covered when him see me. Scotch.
Hold on.
We kill him.
Time to
Honey
kill
and
him.
me I rather than spinach. Carrot I make everybody tipping. Breadfruit get covered when him see me. Scotch bonnet say a ice on the village. Yeah, I the Money Chef that them. One know sauce when I put in iPad. Touch a color low, him better put it back. When the food share it, I feel exact.
Get it when you touch, yeah, Money Chef that. If you touch the color, you better put what, the green? You know what I'm saying? The channel, I like it.
Them one know sauce.
So, Money Chef and I'll be a vegetable, in my mention. Like that.
That's when I put in iPad. Touch a color low.
You know, the paper, the veggie, you know what I'm saying? The green, he mentioned it. Alright, man, go on, Joe.
Him better put it back when the food share it, I feel exact. Oh God, that the Money Chef that. Every dancer I do a Money Chef rap. What is up on me loop at the money sensor. Every girl I say me sweet at the money sent that. Oh, girl licking iPad.
Buckley, this bad Silk.
Sweet at the money sent that. Oh, girl licking iPad. Piece of ginger the bubbling at that.
Yeah.
Killer just catch a money fever. That gone with the fall and me never see him back. Iris till I get mash. Sweet and cracker egg fam.
Oh, Buckley, go on to Irish till I get.
Fall and me never see him back. Iris till I get mash. Sweet and cracker egg fam. Me and his circle black. Vinegar they watch his head back.
Okay, oh man, the mayo. Oh, okay. But the other vinegar now. Nobody refer to money as vinegar, so I don't know the vinegar.
Me and his circle black. Vinegar they watch his head back. Coat not a semi-grater. Pumpkin Gone in a labor.
Oh, not a semi-greater. Blood clean.
Gone in a labor. Red peas me fling in a traitor. Brown in a tell curry say you.
Red peas me shoot me fling in a traitor. Blood clean. Hey, what? Hey, man.
Pumpkin gone in a labor. Yeah. Red peas me fling in a traitor. Brown in a tell curry say you affiliator. Oh.
Brown in a tell curry say you affiliator. Bumbo clean. Brown in careful that girl. You know what I'm saying? Curry can make some team a lighter girl.
Say you affiliator. Oh. Why the money chef that them one no sauce when I put in iPad. Who touch a color load them better put it back cause when the food share it happy exact. Oh, I the money chef that every dancer they do the money chef rap. Look pa me loop at the money sensor. Y'all tell me some sweet at the money sent that. Oh, I who that I say them I salt your fuck like nuggets and fries. Give me way but I say mine your slide. I lean at the cupboard and I hide.
Man, money chef that. Who's that? Silk boss? The money chef? But wait, dog name of Hell's Kitchen name? Gordon Ramsay this. Gordon Ramsay. Silk boss Ramsay. The money chef that. Big up himself, big up Logics. Hey, very entertaining, man. I like that whole concept of that.
It's easy for the screen to steal our time.
Shout out to Boss. He really did this thing on that. I really like the concept, the beat, the everything. You see me? He's bringing that's the fun part of dance. A lot of artists forgot about. You know what I'm saying? A lot of artists forget about the fun part of dance. That's why I feel like the party them in the nice like one time. Because them time back in the dance hall days, you have the badman tune, you have the girl tune, you have the dance tune, you have the fun tune. You see me and say, cause the RDX, you have Bumbuckleet, Ding Dong are doing thing. You have who else you can mention? You said you okay? All type of groups they have. You see me and say, so they have all type of different music come out at the same time, bro. But yeah, man, dog. But yeah, this is the fun part of dance all people. Everybody want to be on this. Oh, yeah, we love that. You see me and say, but we forgot the fun part. You know what I'm saying? Not just the gal, the fun part, the different from the gallish tune and the bad man tune. You see me and say, are the different from dancing tune. Yeah, the fun tune them. You see me and say, yeah, man, this is one of them. But big up to Still Boss and really find it. You see me and say, really dope track. I enjoyed it. You know what I'm saying? The concept is dope. The visuals, clean as hell. The vibes nice, the lyrics bad. You see me at the money chef that. Blood. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, carrot make everybody timid. You say breadfruit get cold and he's timid. Say that time for we kill him. Like, yo. But yeah, man. Shout out to Sid Boss. Really did this thing on this track, guys. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. Let's go crazy. You know what I'm saying, gang? Let's run it up. Hit the like, run it up the like, hype up the video, guys. You already know what time it is. We're back in full effect. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Come on.